Hello everyone. Ever wondered how to switch your thoughts to English and make it your thinking language? Have you ever found yourself struggling to speak English fluently because you are translating words in your head fast? Or maybe you hesitate searching for the right words and by the time you figure it out, the conversation has already moved on. If that sounds familiar, don't worry, you are not alone. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to think in English and speak fluently so you can express yourself confidently and naturally. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering English and boosting confidence. The biggest challenge for many learners is that they try to construct sentences in their native language fast and then translate them into English. This slows you down and can make conversations frustrating. But here is the key. Fluent English speakers don't translate, they think directly in English. This allows them to respond faster and sound more natural. So, how do we train our brains to do the same? I'll show you step by step. Step 1 is immersion. Surround yourself with English. The more your brain is exposed to English, the more natural it becomes to think in it. Here is what you can do. Change your phone and social media settings to English. Watch movies and TV shows in English without subtitles if you can. Listen to English podcasts or audiobooks while commuting or exercising. Read English books, articles, and news every day. Label objects around your house in English. For example, put a sticker on your mirror that says mirror. Step 2. Step 2 is practicing thinking in English. Here is how. Start small. Look around and name objects in English in your mind. For example, instead of thinking mesa, if you speak Spanish, think table. Narrate your actions in English. Say to yourself, I am sitting now. I need to go to my office today. Describe things in detail. If you see a dog, don't just say dog. Think, that's a big golden retriever with fluffy fur. Try mental conversations with yourself. Imagine you are talking to a friend in English. Ask yourself questions like, what I need to do today? And answer them in English. Step 3. Speak without fear. Many learners hesitate because they are afraid of making mistakes. But guess what? Mistakes are part of learning. Instead of aiming for perfection, focus on getting your message across. Here are a few ways to practice. Find a language partner or tutor and have daily conversations. Use language exchange apps like Tandem or HelloTalk. Join online English speaking communities or discussion groups. Challenge yourself to speak out loud, even if you are alone. Reading books, news articles, or even your own thoughts aloud helps train your brain. Step 4. Think in English in real time. Now let's take it a step further. To truly think in English, you need to train your brain to respond instantly. Here is an exercise for you. Set a timer for 40 seconds. Pick a random topic like healthcare, travel, or food and talk about it non-stop in English for 40 seconds. Don't worry about grammar. Just keep talking. Gradually increase the time as you get more comfortable. So friends, thinking in English is a skill you can build day by day. With practice, patience, and these simple strategies, you will be amazed at your progress. Let me know in the comments what you found most helpful, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering English and boosting confidence. Happy thinking, and I'll see you next time.